Money leaving without permission. That's not broke. That's leakage. Most people think being broke means earning less. It doesn't. Most people who feel broke earn enough. They just don't feel in control. Every month looks the same. Salary comes, bills go, something small feels deserved, food ordered, weekend planned, cart filled, nothing extreme, nothing irresponsible. And yet, by the end of the month, money feels tight again. This isn't failure, this is repetition. No big mistake, no sudden loss, just the same pattern, played on loop. Everyone around you lives like this, so it feels normal. Same lifestyle, same conversations, same complaints, and slowly, you stop questioning it. The problem isn't spending, it's unconscious spending. Don't misunderstand me. This isn't about not spending money. It's about not spending it unconsciously. Money leaving without permission. That's not broke. That's leakage. Leakage doesn't look dangerous. That's why it wins. It looks normal. Small upgrades, small comforts, small, I deserve this. Leakage is quiet. No alarm. No red numbers. No panic. It doesn't destroy your account in one day. It dissolves your control over time. And the worst part? You defend it. Because nothing feels reckless. You didn't gamble. You didn't crash. You didn't fail. You just repeated. And repetition without awareness becomes identity. Most people don't feel broke because they earn less. They feel broke because their money moves faster than their attention. Leakage isn't about income. It's about unconscious permission. Money leaving without decision. That's not poverty. That's drift. And drift feels harmless. Until you look up one day and realize you've been moving, but never forward. Most people won't notice the drift. They'll call it normal. If you want to see it clearly, subscribe. Not for motivation, for awareness. Money Cartel isn't here to make you rich. It's here to make you conscious. Most people won't join. They're comfortable. Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.